It's literally like a game of Blue Peter. This has come out a lot thicker than I was expecting.
2, 1, go.
I've never seen someone eat such a messy thing so delicately.
Some northern tap water there for you as well. Yeah.
Guys, it's gravy. We're about, what, 12 minutes in, I think, so I'm just going to keep going on, I guess. This is just like vegetables and stuffing in a not pudding. I think it's doable, it's just... Cheers guys, thank you Yorkshire.